Hello there. So, after learning about countables and uncountables, in this lesson we're going to look at how to use some of those vocabularies, both regular nouns and irregular nouns, to construct some tangible sentences. Now, in this section of writing your own sentences, we're mostly going to listen to me when I'm making an example of a sentence. Then afterwards, you would be required to make your own sentence. So you'd hear me pause or say pause or just keep quiet for some minutes or seconds before you construct your own sentence verbally or orally. Remember, it's a video, so you can always pause to give yourself ample time, to give yourself a lot of time to think of the sentence that you're going to write about. Let's begin. So the first word is man. This man is handsome. This man is handsome. Two, these men are hardworking. These men are hardworking. Three, where is my cup? Where is my cup? Four, where are our caps? Where are our caps? Five, I have an idea. I have an idea. Six, I have ideas about this project. I have ideas about this project. Now, let's look at example of sentences in the uncountable or non-countable forms, where I'm going to make a sentence and then you're going to pause to construct your own sentence. Tea. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Can I have a cup of tea, please? Sugar. No sugar for me, please. No sugar for me, please. Three, the air in northern countries is clean. The air in northern countries is clean. Rice. Chinese people like rice. Chinese people like rice. Fear. I have a fear of darkness. I have a fear of darkness. Well, this concludes the examples of sentences. I hope you were able to make your own sentences. If you were not able to make your own short, simple sentences, then please send me a message and I'll get back to you. Remember, we are not at a time of complexities. This is not the time of making very complex sentences. Simple but good. We're going to improve over time. I'll see you in the next one.